Okay. We hooked onto existing tile line on that side of the road. Cut the road. Got underneath 2 fiber lines. And we'll take off a 12-inch single wall and we'll plow all the way to that next road. Go underneath that road, go underneath 2 more fiber lines. Kind of a fun day. Okay, so we got the 12-inch across that road, underneath that fiber. Now we got it plowed to this side. And we cross this road. And got underneath that fiber too. Going for this hole. Let all this water in tonight. Can't get much more equipment going at once, put a road back together. Okay, we got her. Cross both roads, 3 fiber lines. Gotta just do a little dressing up of the road. Got the water moving. I'm gonna come here this fall after the corn's off and pattern tile this farm.